Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. Actually, I'm in my office. I'm between recipes, meals. I have switched jackets from my white for baking and my black for savory. The reason why I'm wearing chef coats lately because I'm cold. So I just put on the chef jackets to keep myself warm. Part of that is so I can the sleeves on a chef jacket are higher than, let's say, one of my flannels, so I don't get it in food and get in my way. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. So, the quick bread, after an extra 15 minutes on the prescribed baking time, I think we have a winner. I think. We'll know more tomorrow when we cut into it on Christmas morning. So, I have done my calculations on my prime rib, with the poundage and so forth, and from start to finish will be about 4 hours and 15 minutes. So I will be pulling the prime rib out of the cold box real soon, between 1 and 1:30. And while I do that, I'm going to get the goop ready to put on it and so forth and blah 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 blah. So I hope your day is going well. My day is going really well. Actually, because I'm taking this break, I'm drinking a beer. Why not? Drinking Sierra Nevada Pale Ale, one of my favorite. So, have a great rest of your afternoon. Eat great food wherever you're going to be, and have fun cooking.